Hey, it's Paul. In today's video, we are going to develop a palindrome checker in Python. So a palindrome is a sequence of characters that reads the same forward and backwards. And to create a palindrome checker, we can go ahead and define a function. Let's just call it isPalindrome. And this function takes a string or a sequence of characters as an input. So for example, S. And the very first thing we have to do is convert the input string to lowercase. And we also have to remove spaces if there are any spaces inside the strings. So we can say s equals s.lower. So we turn the string to all lowercase, and then we also call the replace function, and we replace spaces with nothing. So we just remove them. And then we can go ahead and save the length of the string, and then we can go ahead and use a for loop for I in range, and then we iterate through the length divided by 2. We use 2 slashes, so we perform integer division so that we have an integer at the end and not a decimal number. And then all we have to do is check if s at index I does not equal s at the index length minus I minus 1. And if they are not equal to each other, then we can just return false. And so to explain how this if statement works, so imagine if I equals 0, so then s at index 0 is the first element of the string, and here we have length minus I is 0, so we just say length minus 1, and length minus 1 is actually the last index because all lists start at index 0, therefore the last index is the length minus 1. And if this loop runs, and at the end we still haven't returned false, then it means that we have in fact a word that reads the same forward and backwards. So we can just return true, and we can test the function. So we can use a print statement, and inside we call the function and we pass, for example, the name Anna, which is of course a palindrome. And you can see the function returns true. And then we can, for example, call the function with the name n, and of course the function returns false. So that's how you program a palindrome checker in Python. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!